Get you guys set up here. All right, welcome back to my channel, everybody. I'm kind of feeling like a little bit of a bum today. Today's video is going to be kind of like a get my life together, get things done. I have been slacking so much lately. Like, I had no food in my house, so I did a Walmart order, so now I actually have food in my house again. I need to go to the store to buy me a new jacket for work because it is fall time now and I definitely need a new jacket because the one that I have been using is just kind of ratty and just like, no, thank you. I have no makeup on and we're just gonna go get some stuff done. Another thing I'm gonna be doing today is cleaning my apartment because it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, so I guess I'll get started with just cleaning up my house. Okay, so I got my house all nice and clean. It feels so much better. Like, you don't even know whenever like your house is like even the tiniest bit messy, but if you clean it up, it feels so much better, y'all. So, all right, I guess I'm going to get ready and me and my sister are gonna go to the store and get some I'm gonna go get my new jacket that I have been waiting to get. So we're gonna go do that and then I will show you guys what I got. I don't think I'm gonna do a lot of like showing me like in the store and stuff like that just because I'm going with my sister, so I want to spend some time with her and I don't want to be so focused on the camera, you know? So like, you just gotta spend some family time together. So, all right, I'll see you guys in a bit. I quickly threw on just a tank top. I guess it's kind of like a tank top, but anyways, it might not do it justice, but these are all the things that I got. So I went to Walmart and got some pants, which I'll show you guys in a second, but I went to Ross and, what's it called? Marshall's, and I got 2 jackets and then a sweatshirt, so I'm going to show you guys the look of all that. For starters, I got this, which is like a nice, like stretchy material, and it's like super soft. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it's kind of like that knitted look, and this is what I got from Marshall's. It was $25, which is a little pricey, so I might be returning this, but I really don't think that I will be because it's just so nice and comfortable for the winter time and the fall time, and it has like these cool little pockets here. If y'all know me, you know I love anything with pockets. This is the first outfit. Well, not outfit, this is the first jacket. It's nice and comfortable, super stretchy. And I think it'll be perfect for work. You guys know me, you know I love sweatshirts. I'm like always in a sweatshirt, but this is just a plain black one, and I have been looking for a plain black one. This was only $10 and I got it at Ross, so that's not bad. And I love like how it goes over my hands. Like it is so like, look at that, just a nice plain thick sweatshirt. I'm in love with this, y'all. I just realized that I kind of got a lot of black stuff. I mean, black looks good on anything and everyone, right? This is what I'm super excited about. I finally invested in a blazer. Oh my goodness, and I got this one from Ross for 20 bucks, and I am literally obsessed with this. Like, look at how cute. Now, the only thing with this is I don't like how the sleeves are like literally right there. Like I have long arms though, so I got a size, I think, small, and I couldn't find a size medium. So it was like small or large, and the large looked huge on me. It didn't really look good, but this looked pretty decent. You can button it up, but it's just like a nice little blazer. I'm like obsessed with this, but I also like kind of pulling up my sleeves and kind of making it, you know, a little bit fancy, a little bit. But I am so excited that I finally invested in a blazer, just because just a little something to throw over your casual outfit to make it look a little more, you know, chic. And then I will be right back. I am going to put on these pants that I got. Yeah, I literally got changed like right here. I turned off my camera and I just got changed right here in my living room. And that's like one fun thing about living alone, is you don't have to worry about like getting changed, like going into a separate room to get changed or anything like that. You could just literally get changed in your living room or kitchen. So these are the pants. Let me back up a little bit. So they are like flowy on the ankles, and there's actually like a slit right here, which kind of like really helps. So it's like a little flare at the bottom, and I really, really like that. And it's nice and stretchy, like I said. So they are super comfortable, but they're also high-waisted. So I am like obsessed with these. I'm so very obsessed with these, and they feel super soft. So again, I'll probably wear these to work because it's nice and casual, but still it's kind of like a little bit, just a little bit of flair, you know? All right, so now that I pretty much got my entire checklist done, I think I'm going to just treat myself to watching some YouTube videos, because I haven't done that in a while. I've been like really into like movies lately. Like I have been watching Game of Thrones lately, and just saying, they were not kidding whenever they warn you that there is nudity. So fair warning out there if you've never seen Game of Thrones, which I'm pretty sure everybody's seen it. I'm kind of like very late to the party, but if you want to watch that, beware. A lot of nudity, definitely probably not for kids, but yeah. So I've been watching that lately, and I haven't really been on YouTube lately, so I'm gonna catch up on a few of the people that I normally watch and just catch up on their videos, just as a little treat, as a good job pat on the back.
Today.
No, shush. Oh goodness, that scared me so bad. Oh, you see how red I am now? Oh goodness. Yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that y'all are safe and well, and I will catch you on the next. I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.